Everyone see. So examination already will tell about the examination. What is the deleted topics also I will tell. And some members they put in WhatsApp is some topics is the deleted in the topics are some points will be deleted now. What about that one? No question. What is the deleted? That questions never be asked. So non-deleted only we are going to ask. Any one question deleted topic is came, we will give the full marks. Don't worry about that one. Okay, na? First you should be remember. So binomial theorem is the deleted, conic section is the deleted, and mathematical reasoning is the deleted. Okay, na? So next one, any one part is there, subparts is the deleted is there. That part is we ask the question immediately. We have to be already. We have in our mobile already put before only what is the deleted subtopics also. If we have means okay. Yesterday Nichal will put in that mobile. So one time we can see. Today I will post that in a group only. Everyone see any topic is the deleted subtopic. That questions never be come. Exercise problems before exercise examples only. Don't miscellaneous example, miscellaneous exercise not necessary. Only exercise problem, exercise before the examples only should be prepared. Okay, na? Right. Everyone see. So I will put recording also. Everyone, it should be see the new topic. Today we are going to start the statistics. Yeah, everyone put the heading is the statistics. So what is the points? I will send notes also. I will put in the group. So before putting the why I'm explaining means we will put means we can't understand. That's why I'm first explaining. Next I will put the notes also in our group. You should be see that. Okay, na? Right. First we statistics will be dividing as a three parts. Already yesterday I will tell. Once again I am telling part one. Part one is the, what is the part one? We are going to write three parts. One is the raw data. One is the raw data means only mass will give. Only mass we have to discuss that one. And grouped data means classes wise is given. Grouped data or ungrouped data, they will give class intervals. That is the class interval they will give. Next, last one is the frequency method also they will give. Frequency means number of students. Frequency method means number of students. Number of student. Frequency means number of student. This is the part one. Part two. Everyone observe part two. What is the part 2.c? Everyone observe central tendency. Central tendency. Part 2 is the central tendency. Central tendency. This is central tendency means mean means average. Average mark in class. What is the average mark? Median means middle mark. Middle, what is the middle mark? Median. Mode means highest mark in the interval. This is the part two. Next, part three is, what is the part three? Everyone observe part three is dispersion. What is the dispersion method? C is dispersion. Dispersion have the method C is note down the dispersion method. So mean deviation, this is the main. First exercise only starting with the mean deviation. Sorry, median I will write. So mean deviation. First one only started with mean deviation. Mean deviation. This is the mean deviation. So mean deviation problems and variance problem, standard deviation problem, variance problems, standard deviation problems, standard deviation problems, deviation problems, standard deviation problems, and coefficient of variance problems, coefficient of variance problems, coefficient of variance problem. Last one is the range problem. So exercise 15 is the depending upon the mean deviation, median deviation, that problems only. Means these three topics we can understand, means with example, theory part, then we go through the exercise, mean then we can understand clearly. Otherwise, no part we cannot understand. I will tell means problems, I will tell, but each and every point will get the doubt only. Okay, na? That's why I divide the statistics as a three parts mainly. So those we are preparing for JEE examination, so that persons should be prepared miscellaneous problems and miscellaneous examples and exercise problems we can do, means it is sufficient for JEE. They can't only some problems they will ask for textbook problems only they will ask, including miscellaneous problems, miscellaneous examples also for they will ask in JEE examination. Okay, na? Clear na everyone? So now I go through the statistics. First I am going to start. I will send the notes also. No need to, if you want means you should be note down for your understanding, because of what you have to understanding, that should be note down. When I am sending the notes, according that one, you should be prepared. Okay, na? So you should be prepared with notes. Your preparation is the best. Okay, na? Right. First one, data. What is the data is? Okay, na? First part is the data. Raw data, ungrouped data, grouped data, three methods. One, first one is the raw data. What is the raw data is? Mean only they will post the marks only. So marks only they will give, that is called raw data, only marks. How many students will get these marks, how many students these marks, never indication. Just class have the, what is the lowest mark, what is the highest mark, what is the middle marks, what is the getting marks they will write. For example, some members will get example only I am writing for your understanding. I put the 25 marks examination, mean some members will get 0 mark, some members will get 1 mark, members will get 2 marks, and some members will get 3 marks, some members will get 4 marks. So like this one, they will give up to 25 marks. So, okay, how many persons will get 0 marks? No indication. How many persons will get 1 mark? No indication. Only what is the class marks is the 0 marks they will get and 1 mark they will get. So, sir, 0 mark students is there, 1 mark students is there, 2 mark students is there, 5 mark students is there, 20 mark students is there, 25 mark students is there. We can say just how many number of students not mentioned. This is the raw data. Raw data means only marks will be representing. Understand everyone? Example. Next, second. Ungrouped frequency distribution. Ungrouped data. Ungrouped frequency distribution. Frequency also they will give. Frequency. Okay, na? Frequency distribution data. Distribution data. Distribution data. What is the distribution data? So one time we can see. Second one is the ungrouped. Frequency also given. Distribution data they will give. What is the ungrouped mean? Mass they will give. Here 0 mass students is there na? 0 mass students. And I will take 5 marks students is there. And 10 marks students is there, and 15 marks students is there. Next 20 marks students is there, 25 marks students is there. Okay, na? So this is ungrouped. So this is the marks they will give. Frequency. Frequency means number of students. Number of students. This number of students, we say this is the mass, we say that class. Class, we say that. Class means marks. Okay, na? Number of students means frequency. Frequency. Frequency is indicating the number of students. It is represented by the letter of F. Okay, na? It is represented by the letter of C. So frequency means number of students. 0 marks students are 2. 5 marks students are 7 students are 5 marks. And 10 marks students are 5. 15 marks students are 1. 20 marks students are 3. 25 marks students are 4. Like that one. So this is called frequency. Frequency is represented by the letter. What is the meaning of frequency? Mean number of students. Class means marks only. Ungrouped means only marks we write. Only marks we can write. This is called ungrouped. Okay, na? Third one is the grouped frequency distribution data. Grouped frequency and data. Grouped data, simply I will write. Third one is the grouped data. What is the group data means? It is the 2 types. One is the continuous exclusive and one is the discontinuous inclusive. 2 methods we have. So this is the continuous group data is the 2 methods. One is the continuous data. Continuous data. This is called exclusive data. Exclusive, not including. Exclusive data. Exclusive data. Second method is discontinuous data. Discontinuous data. Discontinuous data. This is inclusion data, means included. Inclusion data means included. 2 methods is there. Grouped data, we have the 2 methods. One is the continuous data, exclusive, not included. So discontinuous data, included. So discontinuous is the included. Continuous data is the not included. What is the not included? We can see. What is the grouped data mean? Class is given in ungrouped. Here is the class interval is given. Class interval. Class interval. CI. There is a only marks they will give, but here interval is given. That means what is the interval is? 0 mark to 10 marks. 10 marks to 20 marks. 20 marks to 30 marks. So 30 marks to 40 marks. Like this one they will give. 40 marks to 50 marks. This is the continuous. Continuous means upper. This is called lower limit. This is called upper limit. Upper limit, second lower limit, continuous. Upper limit, second lower limit, continuous. Okay, na? Here 10 upper limit, here lower limit is the 10. Here also C. Here also C. So upper limit 20, lower limit is the 20. Upper limit is the 30, lower limit is the, this is the continuous series. Okay, na? Continuous data. In continuous data, what is the exclusion? What is the exclusion? Next, frequency they will give. Frequency they will give. Okay, na? So these are the lower limits. These are the lower limits. Everyone observe. These are the lower limits. Already I will mention. So here is I am going to mention one time. One time see. So 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. I will write. Okay, na? These are called lower limits. These are called upper limits. Okay, na? So 0, 10, 20. This side, left side is the lower limit. Right side, 10, 20, 30 is the upper limits. Right. So number of students. In this one, lower limit is included, upper limit is excluded. This is the first method, continuous. So upper limit 10, second lower limit 10, continuous. In that one, lower limit is included. Lower limit is included. Upper limit is excluded. This is the, you should be remember. Already you know that frequency means, you know that number of student. 0 to the upper limit not included, 0 to 9 marks. 0 to 9 marks. 10 marks we can't take. 10 marks in the second you take. So 0 to 9 marks is the 5 student. 10 to 19 marks is the 7 student. 20 to 29 marks is the 3 student, like that one. Upper limit is not included. Upper limit marks not included. Lower limit 0 to 9 marks 5 student. 10 to 19 marks 7 student. 20 to 29 3 student, like that one. Okay, na? Here grouped continuous grouped data is the two method. One is the continuous data. In continuous mean upper limit, lower limit, both are equal. So 10, 10, upper and lower equal. In that one, lower limit is only included, means 0 to upper limit 10 not included, 0 to 9 marks. Okay, na? 0, 10 to 19 marks. That is called, so this is the method of continuous data. Okay, na? Continuous data. Now we go through the discontinuous data. So you should be remember one point is continuous data is possible. Note point is continuous data is possible for finding the mean, median, mode. Discontinuous data is not possible to find the mean and the mode and the median, but discontinuous we should be convert into the continuous function. Discontinuous always convert into the continuous, then you should be find out. Okay, na? Note point also understand, Amma? Right. I go through the right. Second one, discontinuous. This is the continuous. Okay, na? Second one is the discontinuous. I go through the, this is the continuous. Second one, I go through the discontinuous. Discontinuous data. Okay. What is the discontinuous data means? You can see here also class interval is there, CI. Frequency means number of students is there. What is the class interval is 1 to 10. Okay, na? Next not given 10, 11 to 20. Okay, next 21 to 30. This is upper and lower not equal, discontinuous data. For discontinuous data, both are included. Both are included. So lower limit also included, upper limit also included. Both are included for discontinuous. What is the included is? Okay, na? So here frequency means number of students, 5 students, 7 students, 3 students, we can write. Both are included. How it is included, I will explain. Discontinuous data, everyone see. Everyone observe. Right. See the very simple topic, but you should be understand means very simply. One time we can prepare mean it is sufficient for you. So you should be very easily we can be do. So how it is included? A lower limit. Now see the one is one example I will take. Convert the following discontinuous data into continuous data. So always discontinuous is given means we can be converted into the continuous. Okay, na? So next we can find what is the required mean, mode, median. We can have to be find out by the continuous data only, not by the discontinuous data. So convert discontinuous data convert discontinuous data into continuous data. Into continuous data. Okay, na? So what is the given example is class interval is given. Class interval is given. So next I will write class interval is a 1 to 10, 10 add 11 to 20, again 10 add 21 to 30, again 10 add 31 to 40. Okay, na? This is the class intervals. First, what we can do is, so this class interval, make it as a correct class intervals. That is the class interval. How can you make this class interval is, what is the gap between upper and lower C? Upper 1. Okay, na? Gap is 1. So gap is 1. So gap divide with 2. Gap divide by 2. Gap divide with 2. Upper limit. So first one upper, next lower, observe. Upper and lower, observe. 10 and 11, 20, 21. Gap 30, 31. Gap is the one. Gap by 2, we can make a 0.5. Okay, na? Lower limit, you should be decrease. So lower limit, you should be decrease 0.5. Upper limit increase 0.5. 0.5 to 10.5. Lower limit decrease with 0.5. Upper limit increase with 0.5. Again, lower limit decrease 0.5. 10.5. 10.5. Upper limit increase 20.5. Lower limit decrease 20.5. Upper limit increase 30.5. Lower limit decrease 30.5. Upper limit increase 40.5. This is the correct class interval. So this is called class interval, we can say. So class interval, next they will give the frequency. Frequency means number of students. You should be write down what is this to 3 student, 4 student, 5 and 7 students number of, you should be write down. Like this one we write continuous class interval, continuous class, discontinuous class interval, make it as a continuous class interval. Okay, na? Frequency no change. So this is the In this one, both are included. See, so lower limit also included, upper limit also included. Lower limit is the decrease by 0.5 and upper limit is increased by 0.5. That is the both are included. Okay, na? So this is the conversion of the discontinuous data into continuous data. Right. Right. I go through the discontinuous to continuous also completed. I will send notes. Don't worry about that one. I will send continually. First listen. One time we can understand means you reading the notes means clearly understand. For that purpose only I am explaining. Otherwise, I will give notes. You can see the notes. You can understand everything. But all right, you can see. Class mass in the grouped data. Class mass in the grouped data. That should be class interval, the group data. So in group data, so what they are going to give and so observe like this one also they will give group data. So group data like this one also given group data class interval they will give class interval also continuous group data of the continuous group data of the continuous they will give continuous problem one time C. So majorly continuous problem is the main. So class interval is the continuous 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, okay, na? 30 to 40. Immediately after given this one, what we can do means class mass we can write. So class mass we can write for doing the problem. Class mass. Class mass mean upper limit, lower limit plus upper limit by 2 we can write down. So 0 plus 10 by 2 is the 5. 10 plus 20, 30 by 2 is the 15. And 20 plus 30, 50 by 2 is the 25. 30 plus 40, 70 by 2 is the 35. Class interval you should be write down. Next, already they will give the number of students is the frequency. That frequency is class mass we can be represent as a x1, x2, x3, okay, na? x4. Okay, na? For doing the problem, simply class mass is represented by xi. So 5 is represented by x1, 15 is represented by x2, 1, 2, 3, 4, I will represent as I is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, na? Frequency F5 means number of students. In this one, how many students we have? That is the 2 student and 7 student and 12 student and 9 student. This is F5 means this is the F1, this is the F2, this is the F3, this is the F4. Okay, na? So like this one we can be take. This is the F1 means 2 student in the class mass of 5. So class mass of 5 mean so 0 to 10. Those we are taking the high average mark is the 5, 2 members. Okay, na? 10 to 20 average mark 15. There's 7 students. Like that one we should be right. Okay, na? So next. Class size. This is the one of the point. Class size. Class size. This is the majorly it will come class size. What is the class size is? So class mass, continuous and discontinuous. 2 types I will take. Continuous. Continuous. Okay. Everyone see continuous. In continuous is class size mean so class mass class mark highest class, that mean next class mark minus before class mark. Okay, na? Next class mark means difference we can write in arithmetic progression. So in arithmetic progression before minus first, next minus first, next minus like that one. So here class size in the continuous is, so class mark x2 minus x1. Okay, na? x1 or x3 minus x2 or x4 minus x3, like that one, xn minus xn minus 1 for continuous. Continuous, no objection, we can write easily. Discontinuous, for discontinuous, discontinuous for discontinuous is class size is lower limit lower limit 2 minus lower limit 1. So see, here is a 1 to 10, 11 to 10, 20, 21 to 30. So this is class size is lower L2. This is the L1. This is the lower L1, lower L2, lower L3. Lower L2 minus lower L1 or lower L3 minus lower L2. Okay, na? Like this one we write. This is the class size. This is called class size. You should be remember class size also important. So majority they will come in the class size problems only. Okay, na? In the same, sir, we can't take upper, sir. Yes, we can take the upper also. Upper L2, UL2, upper 2, upper 2, this is the upper 2 minus upper 1, minus upper 1. Upper also we can take, or lower also we can take, no objection. Okay, na? This point also clear. Next. Central tendency. Now we go through the central tendency, part 2. Part 1 is completed clearly. Part 1 is completed. What is the points? I will send notes. We can prepare. So if we are seeing the notes means clearly understand. Now we can understand clearly. Okay, na? Right. Right. Everyone see part 2. Central tendency. Right. Part 2. Right. Everyone see part 2 is, everyone observe what is the part 2. I am going to less than 1 minute only we have. Central tendency. So part 2, everyone observe. Right. Part 2, I am going. Right. Everyone see central tendency. Central tendency. Central tendency. Okay, na? In central tendency, what is the point? See, they are going to give a mean, median, and mode. Median and mode. Okay, na? These 3 points we are